Of course, the headphone jack is disappearing. We're all going to need some sort of Bluetooth device, Bluetooth headphones to listen to music, to take calls. Is this the answer? We're about to find out. Of course. First thing that everyone does is compare Xiaomi products to Apple products. Can we compare these to AirPods? Is it going to go toe to toe with AirPods? No. Why not? Well, because this is a Bluetooth headset, not Bluetooth earphones. You only get one earphone in this set. Okay, so Apple AirPods are $160. This comes in China at 79 RMB. That's about $10, $11 at the moment. A massive, massive price difference. Is it even something worth buying? Just one headphone? It seems a little bit strange, considering we all need these days. Why would we not just buy two at once? Of course, the AirPods have a microphone as well. Other Bluetooth headphones also have microphones. Maybe you're on the lookout for a Bluetooth headset. Maybe you want to use it in the car, or you take a lot of calls, but it may be useful for you. So let's see what we've got. We have what I presume to be the charging cable here. There is no wireless charging. I can see a connector here. Obviously, you can only put one headphone in here at once. USB charging, old school USB. There isn't a charging brick in here, so you better have one already. It looks pretty cool. It seems like quite a nice design actually. It's very small, it's very dinky, but if you're going to be using this in the car, do you have a USB charging port? If you've got a new car, you will. It just slips in, it's magnetically held in there. You can see it just clip in. Quite a nice fit, quite a cool little thing to be magnetically charged in there rather than clip in. You can see the connector on the earphone here. Just has two little metal bits that clip into the holder like that. So if you do chuck it around, obviously it's not going to fall out or anything like that. They have a 40 milliamp hour battery. What does that actually mean? Apparently about 3 hours of listen and talk time. It will take 1 hour to charge from 0 to 100%. Do we get anything else in here? We have a couple of replacement earbuds. I can see there's a really big one and a smaller one. I guess the one on here is medium, so if your ears are a bit bigger or smaller, you can just change them up. Overall, it's a really nice design. It's very simple and I mean very cheap. 79 RMB here in China, 10 bucks. If you really do just want Bluetooth to use with your phone, to use for calls, then you might want to go for this. What I don't understand is why they don't just make two of them and go for an earphone and microphone solution all in one. Why would you just want one? It fits pretty decent in there. I can tell it's blocked out a lot of the outside sounds. Obviously you can put bigger and smaller ones in there if you need to. It's a nice fit, but I want two. I want two. I want to have the option to listen to music as well. Apparently the touch button is here on the top. There's a little circle here. So if I just press it, it's in Chinese. Obviously if you buy these in America or somewhere else, it's gonna have the language that you need. I'm in China, so it's got Chinese, but I just wanna see how easy it is to find the Bluetooth and see what the audio is like. Comes up on my phone as Xiaomi Bluetooth Mini headphone. Pretty quick connected, same as any other Bluetooth device. I give the audio a decent review. There is actually a decent amount of bass on the audio, a good amount of richness in the sound. I've heard some of these really small earphones not have a lot of bass. The volume is good, it has bass, it has some richness to the sound. Obviously there's a limit to how much these sorts of earphones can actually give you, but I would say the audio for the price, not going to let you down. It has a good richness, it has a good fullness to the sound. However, why is there only one? Why can't I just have two and use these as headphones? Seems a little bit strange to me why you would only sell one. However, let's make a call and see how easy it is. See what the audio is going to be like on a call. When I make a call on here, it comes up with the option to use the speaker or to use the Xiaomi Mini. So I chose that. 喂，你好。 我的声音怎么样啊？很大声，很清楚，对吗？OK， 谢谢。拜拜。She said that my voice was very clear and very audible, so I guess it works. Does absolutely everything you would expect it to. It is $10. It's not going to blow you away. It's a neat little Bluetooth headset for making calls using as an extension of your phone. My main and only problem is I really don't understand the decision to make one of them. You have 2 ears in this day and age. What on earth are you doing selling one? Just sell 2 as a pair, charge me a bit more, just give me that product. I don't want to buy just one. What is the point of a Bluetooth headset that isn't also going to function as a pair of earphones? There you have it, the Xiaomi Mini in-ear Bluetooth headset. Good audio, good microphone, easy to link up, easy to make calls, but I will be forever baffled as to why they're selling one. I've got 2 ears.